project is going to be investing over $2 billion within these 3 or 4 city blocks. One of the most important things that it's doing is pushing a lot of that money back into the community in this area.
We also have a lot of training programs that are available to people. Just because, say, you go to college and you get done with college, your growth doesn't have to stop there. The company will provide you that access to further your training, your education, in line with the job that you're performing for the company.
Those around me have supported me going back to school, and they're doing whatever they can to make sure that I am learning and growing as an individual.
My goal is to try to get a lot of disadvantaged youth or disadvantaged folks in this business where they can earn a good, honest living, take care of their families, put their kids in the schools, maybe even buy a home.
Community members and folks who are interested in starting in the trades or who wanted to work in construction, then, we would funnel any interested individuals to the CBOs to get pre-apprenticeship training, to get whatever it is they needed. So that way it was like a cycle. All those CBOs, and Tyrone mentioned this, they offer different resources and different types of training.
We help place people from those organizations. We give free trainings, free safety trainings.
Through the Neighborhood Hiring Initiative, we work with community-based organizations. We also help support them, and they help support us with bringing people onto our site. And all of these organizations have been a huge part of bringing the community onto the site and helping us uplift the community.
Being on the Biosolids project is a project that I'm sure a lot of people can attest to. That is a great opportunity for not only the work experience, but to also give back to your community and say that you're a part of it. Once you learn a lot about the construction trade, you can take that anywhere you want to go with you. The Biosolids is a great intro to learning more about the construction trade and being hands-on. We put our students through a 18-week curriculum where they focus on power tools, hand tools, blueprinting, employability, diversity, inclusion, material handling, and green construction, where they learn a whole bunch of principles on how to build their own tiny home.
Our organization identifies young people who have been disadvantaged and have struggled finding their path. We connect them up with employment opportunities and also with educational opportunities. Success Centers helps bring local residents, get them trained for the projects that are on this job here.
But believe me, we can work with you, and then within 13 to 18 weeks, you will be on a job site, guaranteed.
Faces SF is a part of the Biosolids Neighborhood Program because of our workforce development relationship within the community. We actually work with some of the candidates who are coming through the Biosolids project, helping them mitigate through the process, as well as providing them barrier removal services. Some of the services provides employment training and integrating back into your career path. Sometimes going through this process alone can be hard. So having to go down to the unions or find a sponsorship letter or find an organization who even knows anything about who's hiring, I think the Biosolids does a great job of pulling all of that into one collaborative. Some people may not have jobs, some people may not have housing, some people may be on unemployment, but working with them through our services and building them up, we were able to provide them the opportunity to live and sustain here in San Francisco and get them a job making livable wages.
We have the Environmental Technician Training Program under the EPA program, which offers 8 certifications that prepares a person for going into the construction field. 10 asbestos abatement, mold awareness, lead-related training, traffic control training, confined spaces, CPR first aid, and HAZWOPers.
We're in District 10. District 10 is the most underserved district in the city and county of San Francisco. A lot of folks are on unemployment. So this gives folks an opportunity to be able to participate in this building and all of the work that's done that quite honestly affects them.
We found out that this was going to be their first class, the first time they were getting a group of women into a job site. So what we managed to do was get the list of tools that they needed, anything from tool belts to hammers to screwdrivers to channel locks and things like that, to PPE. So they had vests and helmets, glasses, gloves, everything to do the jobs very safely. And with that, we donate everything they need to have their first toolkit, which is the tools they need to kind of build the future for themselves.
Took a 13-week JRT class to get all of my certifications to get in construction. So it was just up to me to sign up to take advantage of that class, to take those certs, and that's what got me onto the construction site now.
The legacy project in San Francisco, it's a historic project. Like I mentioned, it's a 10-year project and an important part of the city. And so we're out here, not only building buildings, but changing lives and creating opportunity out here in the community.